All right. This video is for the ultimate branding app, 4Brand. All right. I'm going to give you my opinion and also details on what it is and how you can benefit from it. Not only that, stay tuned. I'm going to let you know about all the bonuses you get. You get 5 great bonuses. Stay tuned. All right. Where are we now? Let's go. All right. Now, 4Brand, first of all, let's get back to it. 4Brand, it helps you create your own logo. All right. And in the future, you might want to change your logo or not. But the point is, in the future, it allows you to enhance your logo as well. Okay. Now, not only does it allow you to build your logo, it allows you to put your logo on different mock-ups and different pieces of furniture or billboards. All right. But let's just get into it. Okay. Now, I've partnered with Jono. Okay. And Jono, he's going to give you all the bonuses when you purchase through this link. All right. All you got to do is when you get here, click this link, or there's more links on this page. But anyway, let's get down to it. All right. Like I said, 4Brand allows you to create professional logos, mock-ups, and animated logo teasers, videos in minutes. All right. Now what this is just letting you know how much it costs. And you may be new to purchasing systems like this online. You may not be, so you may be familiar with what this is. But these are just one-time offers, basically additional upgrades that you can purchase for the system. But really and truly, if all you want to do is create your own logo, you don't need all of this stuff. All you need is the first one. All right. But there's a lot of benefits to it. If you want to create your own agency and creating logos for other people, you can make a lot of money, and that's what most of these upgrades are for. All right. But anyway, once you get to the page, you could go over it. So let's move on. Now, again, this right here is explaining everything what you get. It tells you 4Brand gives you access to a 4-in-1 branding suite. All right. You could create 25 different designs per month. 10,000, wow, that's a lot. 10,000 multicolor logo icons, over 300 fonts. When you get here, you can see it. Let's move on. And this is the details about the upsells. Like I said, when you come to the page, click on the link under the YouTube video, and you could get to this page to read all these details. But I'm just giving you a nice summary so you can understand what you're getting. All right. Now, here are some key benefits. You create stunning business branding designs. I told you that. And it's easy to use. No design or technical skills. Yo, my 12-year-old son could do this. Okay, you know what? I'm sorry. He's 14, but same rule applies. Anyway, you can generate over 300 million designs with limitless customizations. You could change it, edit it, put this, change that, put that, whatever. You know what I'm saying. Basically, with the changes you can make, you could connect to your customers' emotions. You could get them to feel what you're trying to portray, whether you're selling something or whether you just providing information. 4Brand is what you need to get the job done. All right. Now, once you get to this page, there's a demo here that shows you the software. It's an okay demo, but towards the end of this video, I'm going to log in and show you a demo myself so you can see how it is, because I feel I could show and explain much better. It's okay. Oh, yeah. The person who created 4Brand is a guy named Neil. No, I have his name somewhere. Let's get to it. Where is his name? Oops. You know what? I got to adjust some things. Just bear with me real quick. Where did I put it? You know what? We'll get there in a second because it's on the sales page. Moving on. All right. And once again, if you click here, you'll go to the sales page. We'll get there in a second. But now let's get to your bonuses. All right. Bonus number 1. All right. You get Insurgency. Insurgency is a tutorial that teaches you how to earn penny clicks and get big commissions using Facebook. Basically, it's a tutorial that teaches you how to market anything on Facebook using the Facebook platform, spending pennies, earning dollars. All right, that's the bonus number one. Okay, bonus number two, another tutorial. It's a hack that teaches you how to make your own app in less than 25 minutes. Yes, you can create your own app and have people downloading it on their phone. Big bonus. Grab it. Only here. That's why you have to get 4Brand from my link. All right, now continue. Bonus number three, another tutorial. All right, it's another hack. You will learn how to get better conversions, all right? Whether it's through your emails, whether it's through texting. Yes, some people market and advertise through texting, but anyway, you'll learn how to get better conversions, which equals more sales, more money, and that's what all of us is here for, right? Anyway, again, click here to go to the sales page and make your purchase. Bonus number four. All right, what is this? Continuum. You get access to Continuum done for you. This system teaches you how to earn and maximize your profits using webinars. All right. Now, that was bonus number four. Are y'all ready for bonus number five? Are you ready for bonus number? Anyway, bonus number five. Bonus number five is, it's a special bonus. It's a special bonus. You get access to all the vendor bonuses. And who's the vendor? Neil Napier. Now, I'm familiar with Neil Napier. I never met him, but I purchased his products before in top notch. I still use some of his products. And once I saw that the 4Brand was made by him, I said, yo, this is quality. I got to check it out. And I checked it out, and I'm about to show you. Let's find out. All right, we're gonna pause and I'm gonna go and log in so you can see what it is. All right, guys, I'm back. But first, let me show y'all the man, Neil Napier. This is the guy who created 4Brand. Brilliant. Anyway, I'm logged in. All right, this is just a demo. I don't have everything, but anyway, this is the dashboard. This is what it looks like. Easy, right? Point and click, point and click. All right, let's look at some logos real quick. All right, these are some logos that people already create. Well, not people. Well, it's a demo, so created logos. All right. I'm not gonna go too much in it because we're trying to be fast here, but let's just look at this real quick. Oh, I don't want to edit it. Remember, I'm not a pro here. I'm just logging in. This is not what I wanted to do, but it's all good. You see, look, you could change stuff. I'm gonna put, watch this. I'm gonna put PromoGrip. See, look at that. And then this, you could change this too. Look, this is my first time in this thing, but watch how fast I bet you I could figure out how to change. See, look, right there, boom, clip art, bam, bam, bam. See? And look, background, boom. Change the background. I'm pretty sure you could upload your own image too. Look at this. Look at this. Anyway, let's try to get back to what I wanted to do before to show y'all. Anyway, like I said, there's thousands of different options you could choose from. Anyway, what I wanted to show you in here, I wanted to show you the mock-ups. Because look, creating a logo, that's what you're here for. That's what the main thing is for. And let's be honest, the software creating logos, that's going to be easy because software nowadays could do almost anything. All right. So I guarantee you will be satisfied creating your logo with the software. But that's the logo part. That's the easy part. That's not what got me. You could tell how excited I am. But that's not what got me excited, though, people. OK, what got me excited is stuff like what I'm about to show you, the mock-ups. All right. And the logo videos I'll show you in a minute. See, basically, look at these. Basically, you could put your logo on let's say you're a masseuse or a hairstylist or whatever, and you want to make a picture with your logo in front of this couch right here. Click view. Yeah, preview. Boom. Boom. This could be your logo right here. Anyway, where's the look? I'm sorry with all the uhs, but this is my second time in here. I ain't do too much looking, but anyway, look, preview. This could be your logo, your ad, your mock-up on this computer screen right here, and then you could print this out, put it on postcards. You could put it on your Facebook. You could do whatever you want with marketing. You could put it on your 3x5 postcards that you advertising, everything, man. Look, this thing, a little tablet thing, put your logo thing on there. Look, let's look at this thing real quick. I know I talk with my hands and all that. Preview. Look, again, this could be your business. I don't know if you could be a fitness trainer and that could be you. Or your model promoting your fitness training stuff. All right. The possibilities is endless, man. I saw a billboard thing on here too. Look, this thing is kind of hot. Preview. Boom, you can put your stuff there. You see what I'm saying? And I want to show you more because, like I said, there was some stuff I saw when I first came in here. But I don't want to make this video too long. But I'm telling you, big smiles because I'm going to use this. And I think you should too. Anyway, my corny ass smile. But let's go to the logo video real quick, all right? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Because you got to see it to believe it. You got to see it to understand. Keep it simple. Let's go inside here. Simple one. Preview. Oh, I ain't press play. Boom. That was a simple one, but there was an ill one I saw. Oh, look at this one. Boom. You see how smooth that was? You know how you watch the news, the CNN, or you see different commercials or movie studios when they logo come in and it look all smooth and all that? That's what that was. And guess what? You could do it too with your logo using 4Brand. I'm telling you. And brand graphics. See, look. The different graphic stuff you could create. Preview. Different stuff. Come on, man. There's so much stuff. Look, there's stuff I'm not going to be able to show you because we don't have the time. And there's even stuff I haven't even discovered yet. But if you're in business and you need to market and advertise, this is something you need. All right. This is something you need. There's no other way for me to say it. All right. But anyway, 4Brand is something people need and I'm putting you on. Anyway, there's see? Right here, agency. If you want to make money with it instead of just doing it for your business, or you get what I'm saying. There's an agency link where you have resources to do different stuff. Agency toolkit. I give you resources to do stuff, to promote your agency, your business, integrations. Anyway, some of this stuff, since it's a demo, I can't see, so that's why it says upgrade here. So I have to assume what the integrations are. I'm not going to just say, hey, it's integrate with this, integrate with that, but I'm pretty sure it's, the usual stuff. But anyway, let's get back to it. Now, like I said, this is something every business need, especially you, in order to get it. And to get the bonuses, back to the bonuses. Don't forget, you get these 5 bonuses. You get insurgency. You get a tutorial that teaches you how to build your own app. You get information that teaches you how to get better conversions. You also get information that enables you how to make money with your own webinars. All right? Only through this link, all right? And you get bonuses from who? This guy, Neil Napier, all right? And oh yeah, one big thing. You see me scrolling up and down. Guess what? You only have 3 days to get it. 3 days. For the bonuses, that is. Now, 4Brand will always be available, but if you want these bonuses, you got to get in 3 days, people. 3 days, all right? All right? Now, to get it, to get these bonuses, all you gotta do is click this link, any link on this page.
Welcome to the demo of 4Brand. Let's say we just got a customer with a company that sells tours around the mountains of Colorado. They want us to create a fresh new logo, give them an idea of how that logo would look on a road sign.
That I said I'll do better than
advertising method, and create.
But y'all can watch it yourself. Like I said, when you're ready, click the link, and then when you click the link, it's just gonna take you to the main sales page, which is basically what you just seen from my page, but my page is a copy of the main page. Obviously, since I explained everything, you don't need to go through it, but you can if you want to. Now, if you watch my original video, that's basically what this video is. But again, to get started, you could click any of these links. You could scroll down the page and read it and go through it if you want to. But I'm telling you, you need it. Get it now. Click get access now. That's all you need to do. Get access now. It'll bring you down here. And let me explain what this is right here. If you want to get this for yourself, just you and your business, to create your logo and put your logo on different mockups and stuff like that, you choose this one. All right, you choose this one. But if you want to take this further and make money with it by helping other businesses do the same with their logo, you choose this one, okay? And look, it's just only $2 more. So what I recommend, even if you don't think you're going to do this, just do this now. You might change your mind, and then you get to see the options that you can get. All right, so like I said, either or, but again, choose this one. It's only $2 more. You get more stuff. Okay, you get more stuff. You could review what more stuff you get when you get to the page. But anyway, when you get here, also it's getting you $2 off coupon. All right, the price is only $39. So what? With $2 off, what are you going to pay? $37. Let's find out. The coupon is what? Brand. Let me copy that. Once you do that, you click buy now. Boom. All right. Now, then once you get here, you put in your email address, of course. I know y'all saw that. Y'all can pause it. You know what? I don't care. Y'all see my stuff. Y'all see my stuff. Janaya everywhere. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, moving on. You can pay with PayPal. All right. Now, where's that link for the coupon? Here it is, coupon. Let's see. I'm going to put it in. Wait, first, let's double check. It says $39, right? $39. Coupon. Apply. Boom. $37. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do, people. So put in your email. Click on PayPal. Buy it. Guess what? Guess what? It's your time to shine, your time to get more money, your time to make your logo go everywhere. Boom! I know I'm being extra, but let's get it.